What's up? So, at Iron Man, did a couple of things. Got the suspension together. Let me open up the hood. You can see the subframe. So, the manual rack is in there with the T-bracket. Has port mount, 3 new nice zinced bolts. It's kind of dusty, so I got to give it another little rinse. But, new boots. New boots on the manual rack. Inner outer tie rods. And she's up there. She is up there. Everything's in there, nothing's loose. It's tight like a tiger. I got new tie rods, same control arms, just cleaned them up. The bushings were good. Upper ones, everything is just hand tightened because I'm replacing this. See right here, the wheel bearing is loose, it's messed up. But my boy's giving me his, it's fine, and he also has extended studs on the back. But I just put it there just to mock everything up. But yeah, man, she's coming along. She's coming along. Look in the garage. I got the single V right here. That's what I'm gonna put in there for now. Bumpers here. This garage is a mess. My brother's gonna kill me. Here's the tranny. This is the fender for the passenger side. Got some new lower ball joints. So when I get the new the new hubs and stuff. But yeah, I ain't vlog any of that because I just wanted to put it up, put the control arms up, all that stuff. And little by little, she's coming together. But I'm gonna take a trip, so car's gonna be sitting for a while. I'm going to New York for a little bit, and I'm gonna get picking up the suspension from New York.
Skunk 2, right?
Yeah, that's Skunk 2 S series. Or at least that Pro S. So yeah, when I come back from New York, it's go time. It's like everything's just gonna come together. I gotta clean the engine, start putting it together. Then once the engine is inside, start wiring everything and figure out what it is I'm missing, what it is I need. Clean out the hatch. But yeah, that's my update for now. So I'll get back at you guys. The next day. Good morning. Right now, on my end, it is Thursday. Yesterday I did some work on the hatch. Got the subframe up, put suspension on. Today I'm taking care of the TSX. Today I'm at my boy's shop. Faster Automotive. Out here in Woodbridge, Virginia. And I'm gonna spend some time over here doing some tie rod work. The suspension work on my car. My tie rods need to be changed. I got the brakes. Got a trip to New York this week. Take the kids back home from school. And I'll spend some time at the shop today. That's my boy's shop right there. Faster Automotive. That's good work. Look him up. Woodbridge. Knows a lot about Hondas and stuff. He's been in this game for as long as anybody else. So let's enjoy this day. Let's get this car ready for this trip. Alright, so I left the car over there. So I left it. My other boy got a shop here as well. I got mixed up with which one it is. Oh, okay, right here. So we're gonna go see what my boy's up to. It's crazy. 2 of my friends got shops in the same area. Let's see if he's even here. No service. Look at that. Look at that. No service.
What up?
Came in here, no service. Man, I'm going somewhere else.
Fuck you recording?
I was thinking he was coming out of there.
No, nice try.
I'm vlogging. See, that's my boy.
What up?
Josh right there. This is free promo, guys. This is free promo. Relentless. Auto. Cannons Court. Here we are at the shop. Couple mixed things. I'm going to talk about. You got a Mopar there. You got a Honda there. And you got a Corvette sitting right there. You can't get more putting the LEDs on this TL. We got another neon SRT right there. Got a red one out there. This is what you want to be surrounded by, guys. This used to be my other friend's TL. She's also his friend. And now, after years of it being through, what, it had one owner? After Jesse?
Yeah.
And then you?
Yeah. Essentially two, but the other one.
Okay. So yeah, it's been handed down, and she's still looking tough. Still looking pretty good. Shop life. Here goes the boss. There you go. There go boss. There goes the boss. Fast Automotive. It's his son right there, working on my car. I'm honored. I'm honored to have Boss Jr. working on my car. Making that shit look simple as fuck. People, this is Faster Automotive out here, out at Woodbridge, Virginia. Look them up. They do everything here, man. Wheel alignments, regular basic mechanic work. You need a swap, you can get a swap done. One of the most popular places out here in Woodbridge, honestly, when it comes to this Honda stuff. Yeah, look, I'll put the information up there for you so you can see. Hit them up, man. You know, we all need to show each other love in this game. Throw some positive vibes everywhere. Dímelo. That nigga's over there mining for gold with that light on his head.
Huh?
He got the light on his head. He's like he's mining for gold. Alright, so we got the front done. Dropped the front down. He's on the back right now. Tie rods is done. Did the brake pads. The other pads still has some meat on there, but I wasn't filling them because I got a lot of brake dust on the rim. So I went with something else. I went with some thermoquite, see what happened. And we just working on the back right now. Still here. The guy right there. Guys, what's up? I'm still here, but it's well worth it. She's getting taken care of right now. We're gonna put it on the alignment machine to get it lined up. And I'm out of here. My kids are calling me. They want to go to the pool. It's probably one of the last hot weeks that we got, so I gotta take advantage. But yeah, I'm almost done. I'm happy, man. Tie rods are fixed. I don't gotta deal with that anymore. And yeah, they got a lot going on here, so I'm lucky they was able to take care of me today. So let's get this thing finished, man. I'll see you guys in a few. Pretty long day, but honestly, I took care of what I needed to take care of, and it's like a big weight off my shoulders. The car still needs a couple things, like I need shocks. I need to buy some brake calipers and upgrade the brake hoses until I feel comfortable with this car right now. But the main thing is taken care of. The tie rod is good. Car's driving great. Got the wheel alignment. She's good. She's good. I'm gonna go back to focusing on the hatch as long as my daily is all right. It's about to rain. But yeah, I'm heading home right now. I'm tired. I need to take a shower. I feel like I'm the one who actually did all the work today. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys spending this time with me and watching me go and fix my car today. And yeah, it was pretty cool. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll check you guys out later, man. Switch your lanes.